And last but not least, the 1954 MG-TF Roadster, MG Red over red. How clever of them to name red after their own manufacturer.
No mistaking it.
Yeah, right. 75,000 actual miles. Only 1,000 miles since it was built. Multiple first-place show wins. Beautiful restoration. These TF Roadsters are really cool. They're just iconic.
And they come in all different conditions. So
yes,
when you
they
get
do.
one that's nice like this, just spectacular.
Yeah. And it's a 76.3 cubic inch four-cylinder.
Right.
So it's not huge, but it's not a very big car either. I think it can't weigh more than...
And some of them have horsepower that's like 54.5.
Yeah, 5.
You got to count that 5,
Get that
man.
0.5.
Count that 5, man.
Yeah, if you have only 54, then you're not going to be able to keep up. I wonder what the difference if you did a drag race with one with 54 horsepower and one with 54.5. How much would it be? Would it be perceptible? Could you tell the difference? Would you know? How would it know? I don't think it would know.
They made great race cars back in the day.
They did. And a lot of the servicemen who were serving over in Europe, when they came back, either wanted one or brought one home with them somehow. I don't really know how that worked either. Did we just accidentally throw one on the back of a cargo plane?
C-30.
Yeah, C-30.
Yeah, on a troop ship.
Yeah, a troop ship. And here, we'll get that back for you. I wonder how many cars came over that way.
Interesting, yeah.